Hi friends, it's Juliana. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be opening up the Devil Endura vacuum cleaner. So as you can see, we've got it right here. So let's go ahead and see what it comes inside. So first we've got our manual right here. Then we have got some, looks like some extensions or like little add-on tools. So we've got a crevice tool. And then we've got a bristle attachment, which is super nice. So a little bristle attachment as well. Then we've got our vacuum cleaner. Okay, definitely recommend opening this with like a friend. There we go. Nicely packaged in there for sure. All right, so we've got the actual vacuum attachment right here. Boom. Very spacious canister. I'm very excited about that. So let's go ahead and see what we've got here. So whenever you open it up, you'll see that you have your little canister right here. Like I said, very spacious, easily removed just like that. Easy to attach. You've got a hose, which is awesome. So whenever you use it in handheld position, you're just going to pull this one right out just like this. So you can use it in handheld. Pretty nice and extensive. Boom. Then you have your handle right here. And it looks like you've got a screw that comes on the handle. So let's go ahead and pull this off. Boom. And take this off. Let me go ahead and grab something so I can take this plastic piece off. Okay, boom, just like that. All right, not much trash, we love that. So you're gonna have that screw, so make sure to look out for that. Then to set it up, I think you literally, boom, you literally just slide this right into here. So boom, just like that. Very, very easy to set up and press it down in place. So let's see. Just stand up. There we go. All right, and then looks like you can, oh, okay. Whoops, let me put it the other way. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so it goes this way. That way this is where the tube can attach. So boom, and then you can put the tube right here. So super easy to set up, and then to get it out of its upright position, you simply press the red button down here. Let's see. Oh wait, no, sorry. You literally just step right here. So boom, just like that. Rolls nicely, and it's got a very long extension, or a long cord and 2-prong outlet. So super, super versatile. Let's go ahead and see how it sounds on. So gonna go ahead and plug this on in. Boom, stand it up. Go ahead and unravel this cord. So overall, very impressed with how easy it was to set up right out of the box. Definitely a pro. All right, we're gonna plug it in and let's see it in action. Very powerful, nice and lightweight, easy setup, and very spacious canister. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful.